How to enable two-factor authentication in TD Auto Finance app. First of all, open the app on your device and log in using a registered username and password. Next, navigate to the menu tab from the bottom, where you can find all the important account and security options available for customization. Then scroll through the settings and look for the section labeled Security or sometimes Login and Security, depending on your app version. After that, tap on the two-factor authentication option to begin the setup process and add an extra layer of protection to your account. Now choose your preferred verification method, such as receiving a security code via text message or email. Once you have selected the method, carefully enter the verification code sent to your phone or email to confirm your identity and activate the feature. Finally, save your updated security settings and two-factor authentication will be enabled on your TD Auto Finance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.